2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 2 2 3 4.
Hello dear student, hope you all are fine. After half yearly exam, we are again here for this art education classes. There are many lessons are there already. I hope you are going through and you are practicing. And today I have brought something very unique and new for you. That is Paranjodi Amad. Paranjodi Amad. It's already, I think you can guess in the name, Paranjodi Amad. You have learned separately Amad, you have learned separately Paran also. Now, while we are putting it together, it's called Paranjodi Amad. Again, I will be telling you that what Amad is called. Amad, while dancer on the coming of the stage, Amad का शब्द है, Amad शब्द के अर्थ है आगमन या आमोद. While the dancer coming on the stage, उस पद्धति को प्रवेश करने की पद्धति को, मंच पे प्रवेश करने की पद्धति को आमद कहते हैं. तो उस प्रवेश करने के लिए एक तोड़ा है जिसे प्रवेश तोड़ा भी कहा जाता है. तो here it is, separately we will be learning Paran and Amad, but it is together and that is called Paranjodi Amad. Mostly this is been performed in the beginning of this performance of Kathak, beginning of this performance. So the bowl is like this. Here it is. Dha, ta, ka, thum, ga. Dha, ge, dhi, ge, ta. Dha, then ta. Then ta, te, te, tha, ta. Ka, thum, ga. Ta, ki, te, ta. Te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ga. Ta, te, ta, ta, te. A, te, ta, ta, te. Te, ta, te, ta, te. Te, ta, ta, ta. Te, ta, te, ta, 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 te, ta, te, ta, da. So here I will be explaining again what Paran is and what Amad is. I hope you remember, I have previously also have told you what Paran is. Paran is a bowl. It's normally or generally played through Pakhavaj. तो डांस के शब्द में इसे कहा जा सकता है कि परन के भारी और जोरदार बोलों से रचित बोलों को ही परन कहते हैं. तो here it is, धा धा का थूंगा and आमद. ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू आमद का जो बाणी है उसमें ता थी तथा थी की होनी बहुत जरूरी है. दैट इज आमद. तो अगेन आई एम रीडिंग आउट द बोल. धा ता का थूंगा. Dha, ge, dhi, ge, ta, da, then ta, then ta, te, de, da, ta, ka, tum, ga, ta, ki, ga, ta, ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ga, ta, 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 te, a, te, ta, ta, te, te, ta, te, ta, te, 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 ta, 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 te, ta, te, 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 ta, 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 te, ta, te, 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 ta, ta, da. So this is added Paranjodi Amad. है आमद पर परन के साथ जोड़कर इसे बनाया गया है. Now let's begin how the movement goes for this bowl. Da, then da, da, then da, na, ten, na, ten, dha, then ta, then ta, think, da, ta, ka, thum, ga, ta, ki, ta, 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 think, ka, ta, ga, di, gan. So till here we will be learning again. The paran we will be learning in a bit slow and detailed technique. So very first of all, dha ta ka thunga. Dha ta, the way we take chakkar, tik dha diga diga thai. The same way, hand will be used as a straight line. Used on a straight line. Dha ta ka thum ga. So ga hand will be, right hand will be at the straight to the front, and this left hand will be little curve like this. Thum, and I will be looking at dha ta ka thum thum. This both the hand is going to depart. Thum will be at the left hand. Thum ga. Is that clear? Again, dha ta ka thum ga. Then dha, ge, dhi, ge, ta. Again coming back. Again coming back. Dha, ge, dhi, ge, ta. Done. Then we will be going left corner, left back corner. Dha, then ta. As if we will take something and give it to the right corner. So left corner to right front corner. Left back corner to right front corner. So dha, then ta. 3 steps. फिर right back corner to left front corner. Dha, then ta. Done. Then ta, ti, ta, tha. That means left right, left right, left. Here this side is 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clear? So till from the beginning till here I will be doing again. Da, ta, ka, thum, ga, da, de, di, de, ta, ta, then ta, then ta, ti, te, da. Done. Ta, ka, thum, ga. After that ta, ti, te, da, then ta, ti, te, da. Then simply ta, ka, thum, ga. 4 steps are there. Ta, ka, thum, ga. Done. I have taken around ta, ka, thum, ga within 4 steps. Ta, ka, thum, ga. Done. Ta, ki, ka, ta, ka. In the same place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ka. In this there is a gap. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ka. Ti, ta, ka, ta, ga, di, ga, ta. Thai. Amad has to come from the sum again. Clear? So ta, ki, ta, ta, ka. Ti, ta, ka, ta, ga, di, ga, ta. Thai. Ta, ta, thai. Thai. Ta, ta. So you have learned this ta, thi, ta, ta, thai in the series of ta, thi, ta, ta, thai. Is it clear? So after ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, this slowly this you have to leave this right leg and a sudden fall. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ka. Ti, ta, ga, ta, ga, di, ga, ta. Thai. Ta, ta, thai. Thai. Ta, ta, thai. Done. Then thai, ta, thai, ta, thai. 3 thai, ta, thai, ta, thai. Thai, ta, thai, ta, thai. Thai, thai, ta, going for thi ta thi ta thi. After ta thi ta ta thi. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking at the right corner. 5. And then raise to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left. Clear? So again we will be doing after ta thi ta thi ta ta thi ta thi ta ki te ta ka ti te ka ta ga di ghan ta thi ta tha thi ऊपर से आ thi ta ta thi thi ta thi ta thi 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 ta 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 thi ta thi 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 ta 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 thi ta thi 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 ta ta ta. So again rest will be the first one is 5 thi ta thi ta thi ta 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 2 2 you can say 2 before that 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Last one you take chakra and give sum. Again we will be doing Amad part. After Paran we will be doing this Amad part. 3 is the ta thi ta ta thi a thi ta ta thi thi ta thi ta thi 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 ta 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 thi ta thi 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 ta ta. One thing I have to tell you, like for second one, thi ta thi ta thi, right left right left right right left right. Again you start from the right. Thi ta thi 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 ta ta ta. This left will right leg will go back, but I will be looking at my left corner. Clear? So again I will be doing this. I am showing you. Thi ta thi ta thi 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 ta ta ta. This leg has gone straight toward the right corner front. Ta then thi ta thi 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 ta ta ta. Either you do it from left. Second one you do from the left. 3 is that thi ta thi 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 ta ta ta. Straight to the left. Ta then thi. Both the sides same. First one thi ta thi ta thi. Right left right left right. Done. Then thi ta thi left right left right left thi ta thi thi ta thi 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 ta 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 thi thi ta ta ta. 1 2 3 4 5. Clear? Again I am doing this Amad part. This part or from the beginning I am showing you. 1 2 3 start. Dha ta ta thum da da ke ge ge pa da then ta then ta ti ke after that you have to come back. Ta ti ga ta ta a ti te ta ga di gan ऊपर से थई ता ता थई आ थई ता ता थई थई ता थई ता थई right left right left right thई ता थई left right left thई ता थई ता ता ता. So I have already shown some change movement while performing. So try to follow that. Like thei ta thei ta thei. First I have started with right hand. The next one you have to start from the left hand. Thei ta thei, left and right. And then entire thing has to do with the left hand. Thei thei ta ta ta. Left corner ta. Then last thei thei ta thei. Thei is just like a V. You will be making a V. Thei ta thei. Done. Thei 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 ta ta ta. I'll be trying to fix up with some beautiful gesture of standing posture. So thei ta thei 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 ta ta ta. So एक चक्कर. Again I'm showing you. Thei ta thei thei thei. With two steps, one chakra. Thei thei ta ta tha. Tha will be looking in the front. Clear? So I'm doing performing again this entire. And before that, read out the bowl. Dha, then, dha, da, then, da, then, na, then, na, then, da, ta, ka, thum, ga, da, ge, ta, da, then, ta, red, ta, tik, da, ta, ga, thum, ga, ta, ki, ga, ta, ka, tik, da, ta, ga, di, ga, ta, thei, ta, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, ta, thei, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, 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 ta, 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 thei, ta, thei, 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 ta, 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 thei, ta, thei, 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 ta, ta, tha. So this was the entire bowl to be read of this tinta. Clear? So this is the way we need to read it out, this bowl, and before that bowl must be by heart. So already I have shown you the written bowl, that how it is to be gone, how it is to be written, this Paranjodi Amar. And now perform it again. 2, 3 is that da, then, da, it, da, then, da, it, na, then, na, take, then, da, ta, thum, ga, da, ge, ta, da, then, ta, that, ta, tik, da, ta, ga, thum, ga, ta, ki, ga, ta, ka, tik, ka, ta, ga, di, ga, ta, thei, ta, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, ta, thei, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, thei, ta, 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 thei, ta, thei, thei, ta, 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 thei, ta, thei, thai, ta, ta, tha. Then, da, da. Then, da, na. Then, na, tik, then, da. So this was the entire performance. To be a very detailed, I would like to mention here, tha, then, ta. This is from left corner to right front corner. And the next, then, ta, from right corner to left front corner, then ta. Separately you have to add this, tik, da. Left, right, left, tik, da. Clear? Tik, da. And ta, at, hum, da. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then fall, sudden fall. A, tite, karta, gardi, gana. Tite, karta, gardi, gana. Then it starts. Amad, ta, thai, ta, thai. You can displace a, thai, ta, thai. Then it starts from right, left, right, and start from right leg. Thai, ta, ta. Styleful you have to stand ta. Then it starts from left. Thai, ta, thai. Then starts from left leg. Thai, ta, Skillful stand, look at the left corner. Ta. Then standing in the firmly stand in the position. Third one, last one. Thai, ta, thai. Done. Thai, ta, thai. I will shifting toward right section, right side. Ta, tha. This is the end posture. Tha. So this was the entire board of Paranjodi Amad. Already I have explained you what Paranjodi Amad is, what Paran is, what Amad is. And it's a beautiful combination of Paranjodi Amad. It will be called, they both fall in both the section, either on Paran or on Amad. So normally or generally it has to be performed beginning of this perform because it's in a slow pace. In Kathak gradually speeds are increasing. So it's my belief that you will be going through this video of Paranjodi Amad very minutely and learn the exact things, and you must by heart this entire whole, and then you come for learning this hand gesture also. So till then keep practicing. We will be meeting again in the coming session of our articulation class. Festive season is all around, so keeping yourself very happy, stay safe, enjoy your days with the dance. Till then, bye bye.